Welcome to New Product Mondays. Boy, have I got an interesting product for you today. If you have a pet and you like to make sure you cover all of your upholstery, or you don't want your pet's nails to dig into things, maybe cut something, I think I've got an idea for you. Super easy and lots of different choices. Here we go. Okay, so in the past, I've said, you know what, I love rubber-backed bath mats. And I still love rubber-backed bath mats. They're really handy, especially they're easy on the pets and easy to do. However, I think I found an easier solution, and I like this a lot. I found these. Here we go, guys. These are fantastic. They're chenille, so pet hair and things like this can stick to it. Mud sticks to this. Water doesn't go through this. I love, love, love this product. So here they are. They're essentially just cushion covers. Love these. Has elastic, so it grips around the sides of the cushions. They have them in all different shapes and sizes, which I love. They have them for seats. They have them for the front. I love this. So I bought a pair with the tan, sort of matches my interior. And I also bought one that's sort of green, which I thought was interesting too, because I thought I'd give it a little, contrast, a little something different, something, something. There's lots of different colors. I'm going to leave a link in the description below for you to check out. But I got the extra large for a Winnebago Echo for the love seat, and it fits perfectly. I love this. You can also get an extra large if you want to do the back, like a whole big cushion. It looks really, really nice. I love this. So maybe, I don't know if you're like me, but if you're like camping in the cold and you don't want to sit on those, I call it leatherette seats that gets really chilly, this might be a good solution too. So for winter and for pets, it's a twofer. I love this. They're not going to break the bank. They're, anywhere between $11 to $20 a piece, not that much. I bought different kinds just to check them all out and test them out. And more importantly, my dog loves them. So she has no problem jumping up on the seat, sitting there, enjoying the day, and we're good to go. And after all, it's Rosie Bell Dog approved. It's got to be great. So I've already tried them out and washed them. They're not shrinking, really good, easily made. And these are Amazon finds. Gotta love that. I'll leave a link in the description below. You guys can check them out. I want to know what you think. If you order them, tell me, give me the good, bad, the ugly. So far, everything I've tried has been really positive. So for my friends out there traveling with pets, once again, another good find. And make sure you keep your pets safe. We'll talk about that another time. We're going to put a new video out on pet safety. And if you have never RV'd with a dog, I wrote the book on it, on how to RV with your dog. So you can check that on Amazon. Until next time, just remember, every day's an adventure. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next week on New Product Monday.